frustrating.
Right.
It's fine. It doesn't have to be like the most perfect. I got my first ready.
Okay.
Second.
Saan siya? Katong na ay
Trade.
trade in.
Can you reveal the Joker after Mom's done? I literally got back everything that I gave away. Like everything, all 3 cards. Ew.
I only got one back.
Oh, that one is a.
It's not. We revealed the Joker before.
Okay. I think that's the one I gave. That's the one I gave too.
The 3-stick throwaway starts with this.
At the yes, we would.
You know, she never.
Pong 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 pong. Talaga.
It was late. It was late. We're gonna really play like that now.
No.
If you're late, you really can't do nothing no more.
Talaga.
You have to say it quick.
That. Sorry.
$10 or $20. Sorry, Mom. Sorry. Why is Shaquille O'Neal everywhere?
People like him.
Funny guy?
Huh?
Funny guy?
What?
Funny guy?
I'm hearing you. Yeah, my guy.
Wow.
Do I joke yan?
Yep.
See?
From the beginning.
Wow.
Mo rin ka lang
500.
500. 3.
300, oy.
Oops, I'm playing our older rules. My bad. It's been a while since I joined the derby.
Waiting lang ako. Wala ka na ito.
Sorry. Nice job, Joker. Right?
Like 5 this time.
You have money still?
Okay, one pla. Let me see. Oh, you bunot already, ah?
Is that guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Ay, 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 parisan. Say ka noon.
None for Dad.
Yeah.
I got a fourth. Anyone else?
No.
Uh,
The cards look exactly the same.
10, 16.
Actually, oh yeah, sorry. What is wrong with the same card you want? Would you like to reveal the Joker to the audience?
Not yet.
Ikaw na daw.
Ikaw na na.
Alright. 3, 4. That was 4 also. It's weird how it's always like that.
Mm-hmm. She has one.
You're right.
That's why to throw people off.
Huh? You keep showing me to take it.
Secret. Secret.
Oh, sorry. I thought he was just counting his money.
Secret's 50.
Oh. Saan ko na sapa magkaayo? Labay na ka?
Ay, yeah.
Naiit, nibunot na ka.
Ay, yeah.
Bayad ay daan ha, ayaw mo, plito.
Mm.
Oh.
Siya lang ko niyo, kilabot sa dulaan eh.
You didn't go yet?
Wala pa yun.
Eyeball. Eyeball. That's all.
Bible. Ano ko ito? Gusto mo man.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
No, you don't like 3, 6.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sad.
Why?
A broccoli fell.
Oh. Bebe.
Still to labay? Labay.
Joke yung bunot ha.
Awesome.
Ah, wala pa.
200.
Is that nice?
One more.
Can you fold back?
I think I'm gonna win again.
Yakin makatag pa mo ka.
Let's reveal the Joker.
Yep.
Wow. What is that? 200?
300.
Man.
I knew, I had a feeling, you see that?
Na,
Okay,
see?
go good.
She's not gonna do just
Saw that,
start the day.
10.
I'm confused how it's 9 and 10.
Because it's perfectly 10. If 9 lands at me. So we can't be
but
winning.
you can't. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Great.
Ano ka?
Mm-hmm. And even more. Everyone got their second?
Second, mana ka? Third?
I'm on my third.
Ay, man may
Oh, I didn't
third.
get my second. Hold on, let me see. I might have actually. I got my second. I don't need it anymore.
Third.
Third is. I know. Everyone is sick.
I think I was the only student coughing. I mean, there's a lot of students coughing, but
Mostly their parents.
trade. Real Joker.
Sabi ni mo,
Oh, yeah.
ilabay na ko tanan. Anak na bunot.
Yes, please, sorry.
Ilabay tanan.
I asked earlier, no one said nothing.
I did say. I
I
said
didn't hear
yeah.
you.
What if I win already? What if my cards are all set already? I win too?
May tanawa na to.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Wow.
300!
Bonus na.
How, Bono?
It's an irregular bonus.
Why?
I just right.
How come she won last time? She had 3.
The Joker? That one's,
Yeah, that one's the Joker. Doesn't matter.
Kasi di 200.
it should be 200?
Kasi seldom happen.
Isn't that crazy, Daddy? Oh, coffee?
Right.
Kapita na ha.
You can drink your coffee. They're gonna think it's cool. There are people eating. Remember the guys who are eating their food? Seven.
Siya rin kadaog ka na. Kaisa ka siya.
Yeah. This way? No.
Ikaw na to iya. Si Great na to iya ng winning straight.
But mine are like crazy winning.
Yeah.
Not normal. Thank you. Uh-oh. Four for me.
4 for me.
That's not four.
Oh, 60. Yeah.
I need money on that one.
$20.
Bun pa ka isa.
I did already.
Kisikan ka ah.
Yes, just one.
Okay.
Trading.
Here.
Okay.
5.
Well, mommy didn't put hers yet.
Wala pa to.
Mine's in there. I put one in there.
Ay, salamat. Natay chance.
Thanks, Dad.
Ay, wala yun.
I got it.
Wala yun.
9 ball. That's
Pong,
all.
pong, pong, pong. Moto kong puha.
Pagchot.
I think 4 ball.
Turbol na da.
Oh, thank you. It is stuck down. Please stick.
Kasi bako, kan?
No, it's because I think I tucked down nothing else.
Kasi ako may bako. Hello, ha.
Juice also?
Do you think we really need juice?
Nah.
Because I think Jenny bought snacks for her kids, remember? They went to H Mark. And you know Auntie Booby always has snacks for her kids. Yeah. I only want a red velvet one, if they still have.
May pag ako itong gikip ko ganina da.
Only if they still have, okay? Again, might as well have kept that.
Pareha, sunod. We need to do like that before we shoot
Just
it.
a little bit, just a little bit. That's it.
6 ball.
Symbol? Oh, bro. The magnet.
Momo lagi.
Oh, sagat. I kept mine to the side too. Just gotta get him.
Ay, wala dyan. Wala na ko yung waiting yan. Last. Wala na ko yung waiting yan.
You thought it was Joker? Or are you still in?
Wala na ko. Ay, matuwa na akong gilabay. Tanawa nga akong ginalabay. Ano, balik?
That's what I need though.
I think wala na ko, siguro. Ang joker na lang ako ang paglao mani kung makabunot man gani. Pero wala na siguro. Ngayon na sa pinta.
Oh, I didn't show my secret from last round.
Oh.
It was 5 sticks.
Ang atuan ko an.
I bunot.
What was it?
5 stick.
When I
Eh,
mentioned.
tanaw daw anak ko witing da oh. Nasa imuhang upat ka 1 4 nga sticks of balls niya na din ni.
This is Joker or secret.
I don't think so.
2
Yeah.
stick. 2 stick.
Wala na ko.
2 sticks now, right?
So sila niya kasi ako sa mirang boy. Lambo na nako. Bayad ko. Sa lambo.
200.
Regular, hold on. Okay, 7. I just don't want to carry my pumpkin.
Why am I trying to give you 5?
Bilang may kapatid ko.
1. I don't want to carry it around.
Yeah, you're gonna put their kids away.
Dari ito na.
Ate Jenny's bringing her own wagon, she said.
They might have wagons there too, no? We could still. I wish we had a medium-sized one, like your one that you wanted, your grandma wagon.
Kilo yun.
Let's go first.
Stay having only four. Daddy. Mom, what is that?
7.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Oh, 7. Wala. Plus. Okay, plus 4.
Did you get you first? No.
Oh, ako first.
Done.
Second ka?
That was my second.
You need a second, Daddy?
No.
All right, I need 2 more. Now I'm done.
Okay. I think I'm done.
Oh no, this is all going on.
Laki ba? Laki. Dito lang ha.
Five.
Mhm.
All right. All right. Yeah, I think that. Did you take one of yours?
Yeah. Kasi duha ka tiyas. It's okay na eh. Hindi mo nakita.
Here, you can keep yours.
Ikaw may gikuha ni mo imo.
Why is only one here?
Okay, gikuha gali ni mo.
1, 2, 3.
Something happened.
May nihatag og upat.
Oh, maybe me. Hold on.
Okay, balik na ng isa.
No, mine is good.
Oh, the Joker. Or one of us up here. Whatever.
Whatever.
Whatever, right?
Mine is looking good now.
Ay,
May is na.
mine's okay.
Sa may joker. Muna ako anang nahatag.
I didn't get it.
Ay ako nang nahatag. May nakakuha.
Can you reach out?
Somebody got it.
Oh, there.
Oh, nice job.
Yeah.
Looking really good now.
They're really good.
Looking really good.
Yes. Twice as good.
Twice as good.
Take it off. So, okay, good.
Oh no, she threw 6.
Okay, good. Binsi.
Yan. May pag-ako nilang panggitaan. Pangit yung nakabunot. Ay. Oh, 13. 5, 10, 12.
Pong one circle.
20.
I'm sorry, girl.
20.
Boom, one circle. What you laban?
7. 7.
Tell me to in the room. I just got my tongue. I'm just gonna start pulling now. I'm done.
No 7 pairs,
No more 7 pairs. It's over.
Then you throw though.
6 stick. Ay, no.
Upa
6
siya
turn.
labay.
Count your card. 13.
Yep.
Yeah, 6
Ah,
turn.
labay na siya.
6 draw was earlier though.
Maybe
I have
nine-
13 cards.
Maybe 9 circle.
Maybe 9 circle.
Ako yung naglaway, anak.
Oh,
But I have 13 cards.
Oh, what's that cling cling?
What's that?
Or ball.
You have too much card?
I have too much card now.
See?
Okay, just throw it
See,
away.
I told you.
So burden.
Okay, you threw the 6 char, I wanted that.
Nasama na yun na. Sa'yo
Wala
pa
na,
yun.
it's okay na.
Okay. Di mo gamitan.
So you
I'm
can win,
sorry.
but you can also still lose.
Huh?
You know how to win, but you also know how to lose.
I'm really good at losing. I'm really good at losing.
Kaya mawala, ma-distract iyang brain dayon.
Because she's already set on winning.
Yeah. Alright, I'm only like looking for which card I really
Ay,
need.
tanawa, oh, ikaduha.
I got scratched by it earlier. Okay. Next.
Bunot, regular.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, bunot, joker?
No, yes.
Why joker ano?
You have the joker?
Ikaw. Oh, di mo, wala man ito.
I only have one joker.
You don't have to pay me.
Mo kay padaog nimo.